Assalamu alaikum. My name is Imad and I am from BSPT. And today the topic of my presentation is rocks in Pakistan. And this is the second part of my presentation. In the first part, I discussed about igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks. In this topic, I will be particularly discussing the location of the rocks that are present in Pakistan and their types. First of all, I will discuss the location of Pakistan. So Pakistan is located in South Asia and has a total area of 8,03,940 square kilometers. This is approximately the total area if we matched it to France and United Kingdom. So Pakistan share its borders with India, Iran, Afghanistan, and China. Pakistan controls a portion of territory which is also known as uh, Azad Kashmir. The variety of landscape divides Pakistan into six major regions. Um, the North High Mountainous region, the Western Low Mountainous regions, the Balochistan Plateau, the Pothohar Upperlands, and the Punjab and the Sindh Plains High Mountain region. So the type of rocks found in Pakistan, a great variety of parent rocks occur in Pakistan, which exert considerable influence on the properties of soil. The rocks found in Pakistan can be classified into different groups. These include sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, and igneous rocks. So let's talk about metamorphic rocks found in Pakistan. In the Himalayan regions, the common rock type or metamorphic. So there in the Himalayan regions, most of the rocks present there are metamorphic, which include slates, flights, quartzites, and marble. The rate of racial metamorphism in Pakistan increases as we move towards upper region of the Pakistan, which is the northern side, and it also follows the syntaxial band. Argillite, phyllite, slate, and quartzose together with essentially unaltered shale quartzose, siltstone, and quartzite prevail in the southern part of the mapped area. If we move northward in Durban, Ogi, and Battle areas, higher grade metamorphic rocks are universal, including uh, granite, kyanite, uh, sterolite, and sillimanite bearing uh, striates, as well as the tremolite bearing marble. The phylitic and quartzose sites of the high-grade metamorphic terrain are considered to be equivalent to the Tanawal Formation and the marble of the King Reali Formation. Eventually, evidently, only one period of metamorphism that connected with Himalayan or orogeny has occurred in this area. The essentially unaltered shale, siltstone, and limestone of Zara Formation in the southern part of the area tend to preclude a period of metamorphism in the Precambrian and Paleozoic. In addition, there is structural continuity between the metamorphized rocks and unmetamorphized rocks, as well as their involvement in the Manchara granite in the deformation points to the close relationship which is between the territory of Himalaya and the metamorphism. Contact metamorphism effects in the rocks adjacent to the Mansehra granite are not particularly striking. In some places, a narrow zone of cordierite and andalusite sized has formed, but in the other places, virtually no contact effects were noted. If we talk about the Balakot region, the carbonate rocks, which are adjacent to the granite, have been somewhat altered to rocks which are known as calc-silicate. Near the area of Chitabata, which is 4 miles northwest of Manchara, Shams noted granite abidote, wollastonite in calcareous nodules within the Tanawal Formation, which shows that in some places, at least contact metamorphic effects are fairly strong. Pakistan has a lot of metamorphic reserves. So Pakistan has estimated to have around 297 billion tons of marble in reserve. This is mainly in the remote areas of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So fat onyx is a rare marble which is abundant in Chagai district of Balochistan. It is It is a dark green variety, which is found in only 5 countries. Its reserves are estimated at 34 meter cubic meters, and in Balochistan and rural Sindh. So, metamorphic rocks found in Pakistan are of great value. Pakistan dimension stones have immense decorative and functional value and exotic appearances. Pakistan is the sixth largest mineral extractor of marble in the world. In spite of the huge size of the deposits and long-term export potential, the country's annual production of these stones is only around 2.5 million tons, which contributes to only 2% of the global market, which is very less if we compare to the total deposits that are present in Pakistan. So now comes the sedimentary rocks in Pakistan. So sedimentary rocks in Pakistan are found in the districts of Sudhantri and Poonch, Azad, Jammu and Kashmir. The clastic rocks exposed in the area are sandstone, siltstone, claystone, and conglomerates. The sedimentary structures include planar bedding, ripple mark, and pebble imbrications. The ripples of siltstone and clay occur at the base of sandstone. The sandstone of Nagari Formation is well exposed in the area. The sandstone contains clasts of volcanics, quartzites, schist, and chert. The sandstone of the Patan Formation is medium to uh, coarse grained. It contains clasts of igneous, schist, quartzites, granite carbonate, and marble. The sandstone is comprised of mineral quartz, the accessory mineral in the Nagari Formation sandstone, and biotite is only 1 to 3%. The cementing material in the rock is in calcite is 6 to 18%, and whereas in silicates around 2 to 3%. The model mineralogical data of sandstone has shown that the sandstone is lithic aurinite and lithic gravic. The model data revealed that the terrace was derived from the rising Himalayas in north of the area. The sedimentary structure and the conglomeration is the um, prima facie for the fluviatile origin of rocks. So, Pakistan is home to one of the largest salt mines in the world. This largest salt mine is located at Khavera, which is also known as Khavera Salt Mine. This region is this is a hilly region, and which is mostly composed of sedimentary rocks. There are also many unique fossils which are found in the area. This area is also called salt range because it is famous for producing the salt, which is Himalayan, and it also attracts lots of tourists annually. Limestone is also an example of sedimentary rock which is found in Pakistan. In the province of Punjab, there are huge deposits of limestone, which are which varying qualities, especially found in Salt Range Hills, Margla Hills, and Kohe Suleiman, as well as in district Attock. So the Sori Nala limestone deposits of the Zindabad area in the Dera Ghazi Khan district occur at about 16 miles from Tonsa Canal Bridge. These deposits are of Econy age. The limestone deposits are also found abundantly in the district of Attock, Rawalpindi, Jhelum, Chakwal, and Miawali. The various formations exposed in the area are Kavagra Formation, Samana Sak Formation, Shinwari Formation, and Lingriali Formation. The limestone of Samana Sak Formation, Shimwari Formation, and Rata Formation has been proven suitable for cement making, whereas the Margla limestone, being the hardest one, is mainly used in the construction of road and concrete work. So now I will talk about the igneous rocks in Pakistan. So the igneous rocks found in Pakistan are granite, syenite, diorite, gabbro, dolerite, and uh, peridotite. peridotite. These are the most common types of igneous rocks. These rocks are mainly found in Dir, Swat, Chitral, Gilgit, Zob, Chagai, Las Bela, and Nagar Park. So igneous rocks location. So Karanjar Mountains are located in Nagar Parkar area of the Desert District, Tharparkar, Sindh. It is approximately 19 kilometers in length and it has a height of uh, 305 meters. This is the only hill in the district of the northern edge of Ron of the Kutch. It consists of granite rocks, which are probably an outlying mass of crystalline rocks of Aravalli range. So that's it for my topic. Uh, and thank you very much. And Allah Hafiz.